What's good? Cuts about TB. I'm back with another video, and in today's video, we're just gonna have a little talk. So last night, one of my close friends, he DM'd me, and he was like, "Yo, I see that lately you've been posting a lot more on social media, and you've been taking your social media to the next level. And like, how'd you do it?" And honestly, straight like this. So right before we were coming into 2024, I was telling myself like, "Yo, I'm really playing with my potential. Like, I know I can take this social media shit to the next level, but I'm really sitting here like, I was really being real with myself, like." What's the reason? And sometimes you really got to be real with yourself. And the reason that I was playing with my potential was because I was scared of being seen, right? Why was I scared of being seen? If you know me in real life, I'm a very low-key person. I'm a very quiet person. I stick to myself. I stick to my family and my crew. Like, I don't be in the mix too much. So it really took a lot for me to put myself on a camera and put myself on this platform where everybody is seeing me, right? One thing that helped me get past that was reading this book right here, right? I read this book called Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins, right? That book changed my life. I don't even want to get into the book. Just read the book. Just take my word for it. You cannot let other people's opinions on you dictate you from reaching your dreams. If you want to be on social media, you want to get paid off of social media, you want to do all this and that and that and that, grow your business on social media. Once I stopped caring about what other people thought about me, I went up. Bro, I swear I went up. I have to realize that social media is the new currency nowadays. If you have attention, you got this. My one problem, I didn't want to put my face on the camera at all, son. I don't know, like, bro, we're all on social media anyway. We're all on social media for free. We already got Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. You already on the app for free. So why not post, grow your business, grow yourself, and make some money off of it? Why not? Anybody is laughing at you or gelling off you for you trying to post and you trying to grow your business, it's two things. One, they're just a hating ass nigga. Or two, they're just jealous of the fact that you can do it and they're scared to do it. They're scared to take that risk and you took that risk. And the thing be, a lot of people that be talking shit have no motion, bro. You have to really realize that. Think about always the people that have nothing going for themselves that be talking the most. You have to really sit and be like, yo, I'm gonna let this nigga with no motion who ain't got nothing going for himself stop me from getting to where I want to be at. Come on now. More and more you procrastinate, you tell yourself, oh, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, I'm gonna do it next week, I'm gonna get consistent next month I'm gonna start. The more days that go by and go by and go by and go by, and you're still sitting here and you're not being consistent and you're still letting people dictate your dreams. If you got a dream, chase it. It should be no reason why you letting other people dictate your dreams and tell you what you should and what you shouldn't be doing. It's because I'm out.